Attention Nigerian entrepreneurs. Do you know that the CAC is increasing their registration fee by the 1st of August? That's right. So your best time to register is now. With Elite Computer Tech, you have your Startup Boss Kit, which will include your CAC business registration, your one-page website, your custom logo, and your business email. This will be delivered online in 7 days anywhere in Nigeria. And guess what? For just a small amount of 150,000 naira only. So don't wait, because by the end of this month, which is July 31st, the price may go up. Visit us at our website at bit.ly/elite startup kit or www.elitecomputer.com.ng or call us at 070 623 14302. Thank you.